Hi, I'm Arne Cherkoss. I'm a personal injury attorney with Dwyer Williams Cherkoss. I grew up in a working class family. My mom and dad both worked full time, raising 4 of us kids, and went to school at night to try to better their life. My parents' perseverance was an excellent example of how hard work can pay off in the end. I've always had an interest in the law. After I got out of college, I started playing in bands and I started drafting the contract to various promoters to make sure we're all on the same page and had a meeting of the minds. Now I'm a consumer advocate. I'm looking over people's contracts, making sure that they're getting the benefits that they paid for, and holding insurance companies' feet to the fire when we don't get those benefits. I was involved in an accident with an at-fault driver when I was a young driver. My insurance company failed to do a proper investigation and settled with the at-fault driver. Their actions were lazy at best and left me with a bad taste in my mouth for insurance companies. Something unique about Dwyer Williams Cherkoss is over half of our attorneys come from an insurance defense background. That means we were working for an insurance company defending claims. We understand how the insurance companies think. We understand how they defend these cases. Insurance heaven is really just taking your insurance premiums and paying out nothing or as little as they possibly can. And that's not right. When you hire Dwyer Williams Cherkoss, you're hiring the entire team, all the lawyers, all the staff, and all the resources that we have. We work together as a firm on almost all the cases. We roundtable these cases and talk about them. You're getting a complete approach to this. Compassion and dedication are ingrained in the people who work at Dwyer Williams Cherkoss. We are genuinely interested in who you are, how this wreck has impacted you, and getting you back to where you were before the wreck. We like our clients to have our direct lines. You can call us anytime for an in-person meeting, a telephonic conversation, or a Zoom meeting, whatever you like. It's important that the client have access to the attorney. When we see problems come up, we handle them immediately. We let the client know that we're handling these problems and when they've been handled. And if another one comes up, we're there to deal with that one too. When you don't have to worry about all these problems, it allows you to focus on your recovery and getting your life back on track. Because every client comes to us at a different part in their case, we have to be willing to adapt and change our process to tailor it to their particular situation. When a client hires Dwyer Williams Cherkoss, we deal with all the insurance companies. You will not have to talk to your own insurance company. You're not going to have to talk to the adverse insurance company. First thing we do when you hire Dwyer Williams Cherkoss is make sure the medical claim is set up. We need those bills being processed and paid promptly. One of the other things we do is we will look into wage loss benefits if it exists. We understand that while you're out of work, you still have bills to pay. When you don't have to worry about your medical bills being paid and your wage loss, you could focus on your recovery and getting back on your feet. Perhaps the most single important factor driving our commitment is competitiveness. This is a firm that does not take shortcuts. We want to get the best possible results for our clients, and we're going to do whatever it takes to get there. We care about you and your family. We care about your recovery. We're going to do everything in our power to make this right.